The Automobile Association has criticized the upcoming fuel levy hike, calling it a bad move with serious economic fallout. From the 4th of June, the levy will rise by 16 cents per litre for petrol and 15 cents for diesel. Furthermore, the AA warns the increase will push up transport and operating costs across all sectors, adding pressure to already high inflation. Lower-income households who spend more of their income on transport are expected to feel the biggest impact. In addition, Treasury also plans further levy increases in 2026 and 2027 in line with inflation. The AA says the timing couldn't be worse as South Africans continue to battle rising living costs.
The Automobile Association notes the announcement by the Minister of Finance to increase the general fuel levy by 16 cents per litre for petrol and 15 cents per litre for diesel effective 4 June 2025. The minister described this adjustment, the first in 3 years, as the sole new tax proposal for the 2025-26 fiscal year, citing inflationary pressures as the reason for the hike. While acknowledging the government's fiscal constraints, the AA warns that this increase will have immediate and far-reaching consequences for consumers and the economy. This levy adjustment comes at a time when South Africans are already contending with high food prices, elevated interest rates, increased electricity tariffs, and persistently high unemployment. Fuel is a critical input cost across all sectors of the economy. Any increase inevitably drives up transport and operational costs, further intensifying inflation. Lower-income households, which spend a greater share of their income on transport, will be disproportionately affected by this rise. In light of this development, the AA renews its call for comprehensive and transparent review of South Africa's fuel pricing model. We stand ready to engage with government and all stakeholders to develop sustainable, transparent, and equitable solutions that support both economic growth and the citizens who drive it.